I'm Zishan Shah and welcome to Z Interactive YouTube channel, your own training institute. So we are done with most of these parts here. Okay, now before moving forward, what I'm going to do is add scratches, uh, not albedo, or like metallic and roughness over here because that is missing here. Okay, let's delete some of these which are there not doing nothing. Because if you remember, that was like it was the transform coming out of here which we used before, but then later on we applied this anisotropic noise, so we don't need that anymore. So let's see where we can add it. So where is this locker albedo? Okay, so I will go to the locker albedo here, and here I will add the scratches. Okay, okay, here I'll add a metallic, sorry, blend. And then I will go all the way back here where I have the scratches. Okay, and I need the locker body scratches, basically. Yeah, so I will take from here. And, or let's do one thing. Instead of taking from here, what I can do is that just before the edge wear and rust, okay, just all these here. Here I'll make a blending node, okay, both of these, for roughness also, for metallic also. And then I'll go to the scratches here. We have scratches for everything. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I will make a blending node here, three blending nodes, and in a moment you will know why I'm using three. So this is for the locker. I will take one from the locker here, alt, put in the foreground. Okay, and then this is for the lock scratches. I will take this one as well. Okay, and use it here. And then I will use max or add, let's see, or let's see what or just add. Okay, normal add. But thing is, here I have to make another blend node for the locker body, and here I have to make another blend node for the lock itself, and I need to add the opacity map here for the locker body and opacity map here for the lock. So let's see where they are. This is the locker body itself, so where it is going. Is it anywhere further? It's going till here. I'll take it here, alt, Alt here, and okay. So it should show only in this area, not in this area. So this is, it's doing the opposite of it. I will take it from the background and put this on the foreground. Okay, so now it's fine. Same thing I will do for the lock. Okay, where's the lock part? Yeah, this is the lock. So I will take this out here. Alt, Alt here, all the way back here. Okay, put in the opacity here, doing the opposite. So I have to take the background and move it to the foreground. Now it's fine. Okay, now it's fine here, because the scratches for the lock is different, scratches for the body is different. That's one thing that we need to look at it. Now here we have for the lock gauge. So let's see if the lock gauge is same as this or no, a little different. So we have to also create a blend node here. Okay, put this in the foreground instead of background, so we can add opacity map for the lock gauge, and then we will put this here. Okay, and this is for the handle. So okay, handle and lock gauge are same, so we don't need this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I will go back here, search for the, this is the lock, this is lock, this is handle, and this is lock gauge. So what I'm going to do, take the lock gauge from here. Okay, put it in the blending mode, and then I will search for the handle. This is the top part, this is the handle. I will take the handle and put it in the foreground of this blending node and use add. Now I will take everything here, alt here, and then opacity. Go. And one more thing, this. Okay, I will move this one down so I can add this one, the node from this blending, the newer blending, and use add here. Now everything is on its spot. Now I will take this from here all the way up, add, and alt here, and put this in the opacity of this part. Okay, and I will add a uniform color. Now it have to be completely metallic, so I will take the gray color, sorry, the grayscale, and change it to not 100% white, but 0.8, something like that, and plug it here inside the blend. Okay, so wherever there are scratches, it will be metallic. Okay, and there should be no roughness on it. A teeny tiny bit roughness can be there, but not a lot. So I'll just press Alt here, and then I can drag it from here, put it in the opacity map, in the roughness, add a uniform color, add it here, grayscale, and tiny roughness there. Okay, not that. And add a frame. And I will call this scratches. Metalness or metallic and rough. Okay. So I hope you have learned something out of this lesson. So usually scratches have to be a little bit like very tiny bit like roughness should be there. Plus it have to be more metallic because it is it's like scratched. So the metal like kind of pops out. So that's one reason to make it metallic. So thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I've noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications I am about to create. And I will be uploading them soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button. And if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that and you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscriber. So guys, I will take off now, and take care guys till we meet in the next lesson. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.
There is one important announcement I would like to make. I have started 3 great membership plans on my channel. I have introduced ZI Friends membership plan, which will give you exciting perks like loyalty badges and priority on comments. I have also introduced ZI Early Bird plan, which will give access to Z Interactive tutorials way early before they become public. So you will get all these lessons at once and you can binge watch. Last but not the least, I have introduced ZI Premium plan, which will give access to advanced professional tutorials, which you will find at very expensive outside, and I will be giving this at a very low amount of price. So visit my channel now and click on the join membership to get more information. I hope you become one of my members. If you want to learn how to create a highly detailed prop procedurally using Substance Designer, so this premium tutorial series is for you. Join my premium membership plan on YouTube and get access to all premium tutorials. In this tutorial series, I will demonstrate how to use Substance Designer along with simple geometry to create a realistic smashed up retro television.